there, lovelies. So I'm going to do a very, very plain seascape today. It's going to be all about the sky, extremely dramatic. So these are the colours that I'm using. Cerulean blue, ultramarine blue, burnt umber, burnt sienna, black, and yellow ochre, and cream, of course. So if there's anything else, I'll let you know. Right, I'm going to start by mixing. I'm going to start on the horizon for a change. And I want to mix some of this lovely sienna with the cream. Let me get my other palettes on the go. That's a messy palette, isn't it? But that's okay. Let me get some white or cream. Yeah, let's get that. Now, so I want to make a really lovely sort of peach for that horizon. Pale, extremely pale. So it's the cream and it's the sienna, burnt sienna it is. Right, I'm having a low horizon here with a thin strip of very dark sea. And the sea is going to come lighter, lighter, lighter. And then I'm going to have some surf here. And this is just going to be dark, very dark sand and a very dramatic sky. Let's start by putting in the beautiful. It makes a really lovely peachy pink. I think I have it. I can always go over it if I don't want it there. I'll put it in. There. Like this. Use your fingers as well for that. It's nice, that. There you go. I like that. Do I want a bit more in the middle? Why not? Can always cover it. Like it. Yeah. I want it to appear that that is it. There. There. Very nice. Very nice. There. Right, why don't I put in now the dark of the sea, and then we can start on the fun part. So what I've done is, on the whole piece of card, I've just done a very beautiful grey-blue verging on lilac, okay? And I use the ultramarine for that with some cream and some black, believe it or not. And this part I want extremely light, which it is. And this part here is going to be where the clouds are. So let's make a start with the old dark, 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 dark sea. Right, so we're going to go along here like this. Oh, it's not even dark enough. So I need to put a bit more black in that. Now you're cooking. Right, let's do this. That's quite nice. On the horizon. You need it extremely dark. It's ultramarine and black. Extremely dark. There, lovely. Very nice. Yeah, I like it. And it's not straight. You'll notice. So here I'm extending the sea, but I'm using a lighter grey-blue. Now I start to put the darks into the sky. I want this very, very dramatic sky. So at the moment, this is just like a sketch, but it's a painted sketch. And I've got to add lots and lots more layers and details, as you'll see. So I like to work on different areas of the painting, a small amount on each area, and that allows the other areas to dry. And it's just a question of getting the right colours and lots of layers in that sky. So because this is such a big painting, I've decided for interest to put some boats in there. And I've got a very dramatic sky, but I do think it needed a little bit of something on the right hand side. You've got so much drama on the left, you've got the waves, you've got the dark sky. So I decided to balance it and put some boats in there. So when you put the boat sails in, it's a good idea to put them so that they're leaning a little bit, as if they're actually in the wind sailing. And at the base of the where you put the sails, just can you see what I'm doing there? Just scratch into the painting, into the paint, to give an illusion of the actual boat itself underneath the sails, because I'm going to put some surf in there in a minute. So you just have a little dark spot at the base of the sail. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, it would be lovely if you would like, share and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free, and the channel can also be supported by pressing the thanks button. And with that, I'll say bye for now, and as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.